Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React. This is my most chill tutorial ever because I'm feeling relaxed right now. Cool. So let me show you the power of SVG inside version 1.5, the one you need to buy at the moment. Anyway, let's stop chit-chatting and do some useful stuff here. We have some things here. I just copied this from a nice thing here from Sketch app sources, and so let's convert these three cards to something that we can have in code. So let's call this one blue, aqua, and purple. And let's convert these to SVG. Let's use the built-in preset for that. Let's save. Let's check this out in our code app. Beautiful. So actually I'm using Montserrat. As long as you embed Montserrat, you could create a whole website like this. So say that we want to change this one to Sketch2React is amazing. Of course I will say that. What do you think I am? What kind of person do you think I am? Like that. Let's save and see what happens. Nothing happens because this is an SVG file here. I need to tell our code app that this one has updated. So we just need to relink the file there, and there it is. So let's say that we want to be extremely lazy and say that I like this spacing between here. It's let me look. Let's 32. Let's put 32. But I don't want to input this like the normal way. Let me show you the power of group fixed. Group is like my most favorite component ever, because check this out. Fixed like that. Let's save, and it sees what you have done here. How awesome is that? It's really awesome actually. So let's put this into a container. Let's just group again and just call this one early brackets container like that. Let's put this one into a row. Let's do like that. Row like that. Let's say that we want to have some margins, so let's put a class called margins M32. That's all around margin 32 pixels. Like that, neat and nice. Boom. Let's change the color of this one and see what happens. Let's just do something like that. Save. Of course, we need to relink. The thing has been updated, and there it is. So you understand how extremely cool this is. I mean, you could actually build a lot of stuff like this as long as you embed the fonts. This is Montserrat, like you usually do with Sketch2React, the external asset. You can even change the text here in code. I would not recommend that because SVG does a couple of weird things with text. But this is actually a very good and very fast way of getting your designs out in code and to React. let's do something like this. And let me show you, I have never shown you how to use container fluid. It's awesome actually. Of course, I say awesome a lot, sorry. So let me say that we want to have something like say that we want to have a background color here, and maybe like that, boring, like that. Even we can have a nice little gradient, maybe something like that. Okay, say that we want this. First of all, if you just save now, nothing will happen over here. Of course not. This needs to be a background element, BG. Also, if I work, it's nowhere to be found. Of course, we need to put these two in a container fluid. Container minus fluid, like that. Let me check this out again. Here it is, nice. Now I want this to be like this here, like border to border. Then we just input, let me zoom in here. I will show you, you input the class VH view height 100, like that. And you go out and you check it out. And it's there. So cool, we have it here. Still, we need to put it I want it to be all the way up. Let me just pause and think a bit. The problem was I put the margin on the row and I instead created a column and did the margin on the column, and then it fills it up nicely. Let's check this out in the browser. Like a boom. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful. This is amazing. Okay, chill. Bye bye.